This particular video is going to go out to those people who are close to retiring or maybe even retired. And if you're retired, you're probably on Social Security sometime. Either you took it early or you waited for a while and took it. Either way, you're on Social Security. And, you know, kind of like, call it what it is, Social Security sucks. We bought into it because our parents bought into it and they told us it'd be a good deal. It sucks as a good deal. But it's there, you know? You paid into it and you're getting some of that money back, and you'll get it for, hopefully, if you live, another 20 years or more. So that part's cool. But this year, we're supposed to get like an 8% raise, right? But some of you people out there may be thinking about retiring. You want to sell your house, buy another house. Lo and behold, interest rates went up almost 8%. So does that raise really help you at all? That's the thing that kind of gets to you, is the inflation. And the only way to fight inflation is you've got to figure out other ways to make money. Now, if you're sitting at home, retired, not doing a whole lot, pay attention. If you're thinking about retiring pretty soon, you really need to pay attention. And that is, there is so many people making money online. Now, don't let it freak you out. It's just getting bigger and bigger. For example, the internet, between the years of when it started to about 2010, exploded. I mean, there was like, other than Facebook, you also had, I can't even remember some of the apps that were out there, but it exploded. You all know that. Now, from 10 to now, it has tripled the explosion of what it was between where it started to 2010. And it's only gonna get bigger and have more options for you. And you're not gonna run out of people to talk to on the internet, because trust me, there's billions out there and you don't need a billion. So you need to think about getting some money to make online with some type of business. Now, I've got one that I deal with. I actually deal with multiple streams of income, but just the one that I'm talking about, that's right up here. Yeah, someplace it'll float in, maybe it'll spin in, I don't know. Anyway, it'll be up here. And check it out, see what you think. And then, hey, before you go on someplace else, do me a favor, hit the like or hit a follow. Later, guys. Bye.